Good afternoon, Mr. White.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, let me check that. Okay, I'm Jason from X-Ray, and we're going to take you into the room to take an X-ray of you.
Sounds
and
good.
I hear you recently had a hip replacement?
Yes, I did.
And which hip was that on?
My left hip.
Okay, and how comfortable are you standing up?
I think I can stand up, but just go ahead and stand next to me just in case I need to grab onto your shoulder or something.
Okay, I'll be there to assist you.
After assessing the patient's condition, the technologist has decided to use a standby assist transfer. He is now placing the wheelchair into a 45-degree angle to the table and is locking the wheels of the wheelchair and is now removing the footsteps from the wheelchair out of the way. And the patient has been placed with his strongest side closest to the table.
Okay, now what we're going to do here is when you get up, you're going to place your hand here. But first, I'm going to have you scoot as far forward as you can in the wheelchair. And make sure you place both hands on there. Now, I'll be here to assist you, but I want you to push up as well as you can with both hands.
Jason.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Reach out to the table. Okay, spin around till you feel that behind you. Put both hands on the table and take a seat for me. Okay, now we're going to spin you and lay you down to your left. Okay. And now we're ready to take an X-ray of that hip.
Mr. Roberts?
Yeah, that's me.
Just let me double check that, make sure I got the right Mr. Roberts. Okay, my name is Bob. I'll be taking your X-ray today.
Okay.
So I'm going to take you on down over here. So just to clarify, are you able to stand at all?
Not very well now.
Okay, in that case I'm going to give you some extra help on this transfer. I'm going to put you on the bed, okay?
Okay.
The technologist placed the wheelchair at a 45-degree angle to the table with the patient's strongest side towards the table, closest to the table. And he is now locking the wheelchair and moving the footsteps out of the way.
Okay, so we're going to be placing you on this table right here, okay? What I need from you is if you're able to push off of the armrest, you think? Okay, so before you do that, I'm going to explain to you that once I get you, I'm going to help you get up, I'm going to pick you up, I'm going to turn you towards the bed, okay? Once you get to that position, I'm going to have you grab onto this, okay? From there, we're going to set you onto the stool, and then you're going to take a seat on the bed. All right, so when I do this, when I go ahead and grab you up, first I'm going to want you to push up, but once you're up, I want you to grab the back of my arms, okay? All right, so on the count of 3, we're going to go up, okay? All right, 1, 2, 3. You feeling dizzy? You all right?
I'm all right.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and pin you. Okay, stand right there. Now, at this point, I'm going to have you grab the stool, okay? Now, with your good leg, go ahead and step up. And I'll help you up with this leg. All right. From there, you can take a seat now. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pick your legs up and have you turn. Okay. So now we've taken your X-ray. Fast forward, okay? We're going to get you off the bed. So go ahead, pick you up. Go ahead. Place your feet over. Now go ahead and grab the stool, okay? Now go ahead with your good leg. Go ahead and stand up. Now take a step down. Okay. How are you feeling? You dizzy? You alright?
I'm okay.
Okay. We're going to get you back in the chair, okay?
Okay.
Alright, go ahead and take a seat. Alright, there you go. We're all set. I'll take you back to your room.
Okay, thank you.
And that was the assisted standing pivot.
Alright, Ms. Ruiz, we're all done with your procedure here. You remember Evan and Jason. We're going to help transfer you over here onto this gurney so that we can take you back upstairs to your bed. The first thing we're going to do is roll you my way so that Evan can put the slider board up underneath you, okay? I understand you got some left side paralysis, so we're going to move you on your strong side towards him, okay?
Count of 3. Go. Slide the whole board.
Alright, so the table's locked. We're going to slide you here over this way onto the board. And then we'll just slide the entire board
On the count of 3.
onto
Alright.
the gurney.
1, 2, 3. Alright.